Kal Kadosh, Boker Or, Mishna Yomi, Metzia. This is a Masechet Metzia, Perek Aleph, Mishna, Vav, and Zayin, 6 and 7. Matzah Shitrei Chov. Imagine a person comes and he finds Shitrei Chov. Shitrei Chov are loan documents. Okay? And they both agree that it was not paid. If there's going to be achrayut nechasim, which means the lien on the property, so therefore lo yachzid, you cannot give it back to the lender. Shebedin nifraimim is bedin can come neglect, right? Which means that maybe we're going to suspect that they did a kunst, they did a kurunya between them, right? Why? Why? Because they're going to come and say, no, I didn't pay it. They come take back the property because there's a lien. So he says, but if there's no achrayut nechasim, which means there's no lien on the property, you could give it back. These are the words of Rabbi. Chachamim come and say, Ben kach uben kach lo yachzid. You never give it back. Why? Which means the bedin can collect the debt from the property sold, right? Even if it does not mention a lien. So since according to the Chachamim, you could collect it even without a lien, you never give back this document. Next, matzah gitei nashim, shichrurei avadim, daitiki, matana, v'shovarim. Imagine right now a person came and he found a get. Remember, this is a divorce bill between a husband and a wife. Shichrurei avadim. What is shichrurei avadim? We're talking about an emancipation letter, which is basically a get, shichrur, that basically he's going to be free. Daitiki. What is a daitiki? A will. A will, the person is going to come and he's going to be in a sick bed. Matana is a shtar matana. You're giving a present to someone, so they come and they write a document. Shovarim. Shovar is a receipt that you paid back a loan, right? You cannot give it back to the person which is named on the documents. Okay, that means he shouldn't give the get back to the wife or the emancipation letter to the slave or all these things. Why? Why? Because obviously, Shani Omer, I'm going to say, maybe they were written, but they were never actually given. Meaning, a person comes, right? He got upset at his frecha, so he comes and he writes a get, and then afterwards he decides, he says, you know what? I'm not going to give it to her. Why? When I came home, she gave me a smile. Yeah, or she made me the best food that I like. Right, she's Moroccan, the best food that I like. Boom, yeah. If it was somebody else, it's a problem. Yeah, so he would have for sure divorced her. Right. So what happened? He said he didn't give it. So therefore, you cannot give it back to the woman. Just in case the same thing in the emancipation letter. He wanted to free the slave. The slave was very nice. He comes home. The slave didn't do his job. He got upset. He said, I'm not going to free him. Right, and the same thing with everything else. So all these things, it could be that he didn't actually do it. So therefore, you don't actually give it over. Have a wonderful day.